Here I have DJI OSMO ACTION, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the options, to the settings, by sliding your finger like this, then go to the settings, and here you can find a section date and time, and here you can, for example, here you can change your date, and here you can change your time, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.